Hey everyone and welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Chase Bank with the OnePay app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you bank with Chase and you want to use your bank to fund the OnePay app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the OnePay app, then click on the profile icon on the upper right hand corner, then click on account, then click on linked accounts, then click on link bank account. It's going to redirect you to Plaid. So what Plaid is that it keeps your data safe and it connects financial institutions together. Click on get started, then click on continue as guest, then click on the Chase Bank. Now it's going to prompt you to log into your Chase Bank so that you can select which accounts you want to connect to the OnePay app. But there you have it guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Chase Bank with the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.